Let's talk about abstract classes and methods in Java. Hello everyone, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to the Mentor Code Lab. Data abstraction is the process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to any user. We have different levels of abstraction when it comes to Java. Today we will talk about abstracting our class and methods, and in the next video we will talk about interfaces that by nature are abstracted structures and types. Now, the abstract keyword is a non-access modifier, and it can sit for both classes and methods. As the name suggests, make them abstract. So we can say it's an abstract class creature. Before I use this keyword, I want to show you an example. Right now, on my main, I can say creature equals to new creature, and I can instantiate the creature like so. However, if I make the class abstract, now in effect, I'm hiding the creature class type from the users of my API. And if you notice, now we have some indications. Here it says one related problem. We have some error indications under source and main, and here under main. And if we go there, we see that this section, new creature section, is now yelling at us. Moving our mouse on top of it, it says creature is abstract, can't be instantiated. Basically, now that we have an abstract class, we can't make copies and instances of this abstract class. Also, take note, the icon shape is changed. I'm using a plugin for the icons, and it is identifying that the creature is now abstract and changes the shape of the icon. But if you are using the normal IntelliJ IDEA, you may not notice that. However, this error is a good indication that we cannot instantiate an abstract class anymore. However, notice human is extending the creature and it's not abstract. We still can do human, I don't know, let's call it Alice equals to new human, and that's it. Basically, now I have to either use the no-param constructor or the parameterized constructor. I will use no-param constructor. And you see that we don't get any error here because human is not abstract. Basically, when you have an abstract class, the only way that you can instantiate anything related to this abstract class is by extending that abstract into another class that is not abstract, and then you're golden. Also, we can use abstract for methods. Now, abstract methods are a little bit different. You notice that it's yelling at us. Just when I typed abstract, it started yelling. And if I move my mouse on top of that, it says abstract methods cannot have a body, although the body is empty here. But the moment you use abstract for a method, it says that it can't have a body. The usage for abstracting a method now is that any inherited type can put its own definition and behavior for that abstraction. Also, take note that the creature has this abstract void heal int amount, and we have public void heal int amount. Basically, we are overriding that abstract method, and now we can use @ override from Java lang indication. And this annotation, this is called annotation. This annotation helps us understand that this method is related to the parent, and we are overriding its functionality and getting a polymorphism working right here and now. Also, it doesn't tell us that the class was abstract in the creature. So if I move my mouse on heal, you notice that there is no indication of this method being abstract inside creature. Remember, when you have an abstract class, you can have normal methods that are not abstracted. For example, right now, I can say Alice dot, and I will call the print function. This print method was coded inside the creature abstract class as a normal method. And you see that it's just printing out some information related to these character properties, and the human is not touching that print method at all. Because of the inheritance, human is inheriting this method from the abstracted parent. But because the method is not abstracted and it has functionality in it, well, we can access it. And if I run the program right now, we get a problem. Now, what is a problem? Let's see. It says creatures.enemies.dragon is not abstract and does not override abstract method heal. Now, this is something that you should remember. When you make a method abstract, any other children that are extending the abstract class or an abstract method inside the class need to override their own functionality on that method. For example, if I hit Alt Enter now, it says implement methods. Hitting Enter, it says we need to implement heal. You see that it has a check mark, insert @ override. Okay, and that's it. Even without any functionality in this heal method, because now we are overriding it with an empty method body, it's okay. Now, take note, vampire is a different story. If I comment this whole section for heal, I will not get any error for vampire because vampire is extending human and human is already overriding the method. Because we have a body inside the parent, here being human, the vampire will not have any problem. Now, if we run the program, it builds and see what is happening. We have a human, and human doesn't have anything for print. The print is a method inside the abstract parent, but because it's not an abstract method, we can call it, and it is printing out the name column. Now, the name is human by default. The age is 1, the health is 100, the strength is 1. So this method call is functional. And this is the whole thing about abstraction. Basically, abstraction gives you an extra level of control, especially when you are developing your own API, because you can now hide some things from the users of that API and remove the access of initialization for those abstracted things. In the next video, we will talk about interfaces and we will understand more about abstraction. If you like these videos, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on that bell so that when I publish a new video, you will get informed. Have fun, everyone. Bye.